in teaching, through feedback from my students, I learned that they would engage more if I had blanks in my PowerPoints. And so I thought, okay, how am I going to do that? And in the classrooms, we have our projector set up to go in front of a white screen, but not all of those projectors and screens line up well with the white board. And so I needed a way to be able to make changes on my PowerPoint. And so we were able to get these screens in our classrooms here in KSS where we could just write with a stylus, which was a game changer for me because it didn't matter where our screen was, if we had a whiteboard behind it or not. We can just make changes right there. All you have to do is take your pen and bring it to the bottom left corner of the screen, and it will engage with the screen. But you can also pick if you want to choose a different color, if you need to erase something, it's all on the bottom left part of the screen. And then you can just go ahead and start writing. And you can actually rest your hand on the screen, so it's really easy to write on. So students are engaged by needing to fill in the blanks, coming to class to get that information, and they didn't have to take all kinds of notes, but they can add in what they felt they needed to along with filling in those blanks. And so it's helped reduce load of having to take numerous amounts of notes, and helps me keep my lecture moving. Having that capacity to be able to point out and add on to slides is really helpful.